Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, as we discussed in the previous video, from now onwards, we are trying to apply pumping lemma on non-regular languages. Let us start with our very first example. In this example, we are trying to prove that a raised to n, b raised to n, where n is greater than or equal to 0 is a non-regular language. As we discussed earlier, the first step is selecting m. Let us say the opponent is selecting some value for m. Over here, we don't need a particular value and hence we are selecting the value of m to be a variable. Now our task is selecting a string of the language which is having a length more than or equal to m. So if we take m as some particular value, then a raised to m, b raised to m could be a string having length more than m definitely. Over here you can see that the length of the string that we have selected is 2m, which is more than m. Now as we know, the opponent has a tough time. He has to decompose the given string into three components, x, y and z, in such a way that y passes our pumping lemma. Let us try to decompose the string a raised to m, b raised to m in such a way that it might pass the pumping lemma. How do we decompose? Let us see some of them. This could be one decomposition. This could be another decomposition, or we may come up with more decompositions. You can make more and more decomposition and try to analyze the pumping lemma, but I have taken three examples over here. In the first one, I have decomposed the string into three parts. The first part contains all A's, second part contains B, and third part contains rest of the B's. Similarly, here contains all A's but not the last. Here contains an AB, here contains the rest of the B's. Here we have all A's but not the last. Second part contains the last A, third contains all the B's. Now let us pass decomposition to the next phase, that is applying pumping lemma, and let us see if any one of them help us passing pumping lemma. Now let us try to apply pumping. Let us say we are pumping thrice. Then what will be the string generated over here? It would be does the string belong to the language? No. Let us try to apply pumping on the second one. Does this string belong to a language? No. Now let us apply pumping on third one. Does this belong to the language? Again we'll get the answer no. Over here I have taken three cases. Even if you try to take another cases and try to apply pumping, you will see that there are no substrings which could be pumped to get the language back, which means that using pumping lemma we can prove that this particular language is not regular. In the next video, we will be seeing a few more questions on the same concept, that is proving that certain languages are not regular using pumping lemma. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Ekeeda and do subscribe.